Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AMT. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming laptop upgrades. If you want to boost your performance, extend your laptop's life, and avoid costly mistakes, stick around. Disclaimer. First off, a quick disclaimer. Before you start upgrading, check your warranty. In many regions like the US and Canada, you can upgrade without voiding it, just don't cause any damage. If you're unsure, consult your laptop's manufacturer. Opening laptop. Let's get started. To upgrade, you'll need to open your laptop. Most open from the bottom, but models vary. Remove all screws carefully. Some may be hidden under rubber covers. Keep track of screw lengths to avoid damaging your laptop. Upgrading the battery. Next, the battery. Unplug it before any upgrades to prevent shorts. Upgrading the battery is tricky. Check if your model supports different sizes. For example, Lenovo's Legion 5 has upgradable options. Storage upgrades. Storage is crucial. Most laptops have M.2 slots for SSDs. Check how many slots you have, typically 1 or 2. Remember, size matters. Larger drives can fit, but measure carefully to avoid compatibility issues. Consider upgrading to a PCIe SSD for speed. Gen 4 is faster than Gen 3, but make sure your laptop supports it. RAM upgrades. Now, let's talk about RAM. Most gaming laptops come with 2 slots, but some may have soldered memory. Upgrading from 8GB to 16GB is a solid choice, but 32GB offers even more performance. Check your current RAM type, DDR4 versus DDR5, and speed for compatibility. Wi-Fi card upgrade. Next, Wi-Fi. Upgrading your Wi-Fi card can improve connectivity. Look for M.2 cards and ensure they match your laptop's key type. Intel cards are generally the best choice for performance. Cooling upgrades. Cooling is essential. Consider replacing thermal paste for lower temperatures. Regular paste can dry out, and a good quality paste can help. Just be cautious if you have liquid metal. It's tricky and can damage your laptop. Screen upgrades. Screen upgrades are possible but can be complex. Make sure to search for compatible panels for your model. Sometimes, it's easier to invest in a larger external monitor instead. CPU and GPU upgrades. Now, for the big one, CPU and GPU upgrades. Most laptops have these soldered in, making upgrades nearly impossible. Some older models allow for swapping, but it's rare. The Framework laptop offers some upgrade flexibility, but for most, you'll need a new laptop. Conclusion. Upgrading your gaming laptop can breathe new life into it. From storage to RAM, there are plenty of ways to enhance performance. Just remember to do your research. Thanks for watching Tech AMT. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments what upgrades you're planning. See you next time.